light breaking over hills, the twitter of birdsong and a flutter of wings. Being in the wild is a complete break from my regular urban life. This is Madhya Pradesh and this is Tiger Country. Madhya Pradesh is known for its national parks, and one of the best ways to see them is through the Taj Safari lodges. Bagwan, Banjar Tola, Mahua Koti and Pashangarh. Each one has great connectivity from both Delhi and Mumbai, and on this trip I'll be visiting Pashangarh and Mahua Koti. These winding dirt paths, bordered by bamboo thickets, lead to the 12 cozy cottages of Mahua Koti in the midst of Bandhavgarh National Park. Alvin from the Taj team of trained naturalists introduces me to the property.
Welcome to your room.
Wow!
Well, it blends very nicely with the environment. So we got this huge window over here. Well, lets the sun rays come in.
These rooms don't shut nature out, but welcome it in. Past the lush thickets of bamboo groves is Mahua Koti's central veranda, where guests are welcomed on arrival. The perfect spot to sit, sip a cup, and contemplate on your own space in the grander scheme. As the sunlight dims, guests gather around log fires. The flames flicker, the spit sizzles with the heady fragrance of roasted meats, and the bartender stirs and pours out the signature Mahua Martini. Everyone here is passionate about the wild, and everyone has a tiger tale to tell. The moment has arrived. The tigers are out there, and we are on the prowl. For a while, it's all eyes to the skies as a green bee-eater takes flight or a common bustard poses for the lenses. The excitement mounts as packs and herds pass and cross, leap and bound across our path, or sometimes just pause to check out the sights. Well, even though we're in the middle of the forest here, hospitality is not that far behind. Our mid-morning bush breakfast is what sets the Taj apart. This quick meal gets us recharged and roaring to go. All signs point to a sighting, and soon. Promises on placards, paw prints on paths. We are hot on the trail. A quick switch to elephant pack so we can beat through the bush and get a better look. Will I see my first tiger in the wild? Oh my God, she's beautiful. Seeing a tiger isn't the sole goal of a safari, but it certainly is a fitting end to an eventful day. And just 200 kilometers away, close to the temples of Khajuraho, is the Panna Sanctuary. Pashangarh can feel like you've travelled to another time, or rather, a place outside time. Taj Safari's naturalists aren't run-of-the-mill guides. They have this encyclopedic knowledge.
And made exactly in the local style of architecture. If you look at the roof. Welcome to your room. Like it?
Yeah!
You can see the color schemes. It's beige and brown and chocolate brown.
I love the idea of having such a massive open window. It just makes me feel like even when I'm here, I'm actually in the jungle. Let's start the park drive. Vultures ham it up, swooping over the stark, barren beauty of the Panna Reserve. The cheetal, the nilgai, the sambar and other animals native to Panna prance around in their pasture. From our boat on the Ken River, we can barely spot the muggers. So still, so silent. So you get really close and then you can see teeth. After that dramatic day, a drink to wind down before dinner. think what I like best about both the parks, both Bandhavgarh and Panna, is that for me it wasn't just about seeing the tiger.
Usually a lot of the guests get fixated on the tiger. Of course, tigers, it's a huge plus, it's a huge bonus that you can see it. But it's the whole experience, you know, even just sitting here. I mean, how often do you do this?
What happens in the wild doesn't stay in the wild. I'll carry the memories with me. After all, it's a movable
But
feast.
seriously, don't you agree?
I think so.
Yeah, it's the whole experience.
It is definitely the whole experience. At Bandhavgarh and Pashangarh, a pattern emerges. It's not just the tigers, or the wildlife for that matter, or even the luxurious lodges and the friendly folks. It's about finding yourself in that circle of life. It's the memory of the moments that move you when you stand still.